Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can register for Netflix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on their main site. I'm pretty sure you can do this through the mobile application as well, or through the mobile platform in general if you go to the website from there, but I'll be doing this through my Chrome browser on PC. So what you need to do is first, as you can see, you can enter your email address here and click get started, or you can click on sign in, and then from there you can just go ahead and click sign up now over here. Then again, you'll have to enter your email address, and for example, I'll just use this one. And as you can see, you need to finish setting up your account. You need to add a password, and after that, since I don't want to go into the process of creating an account for this email, what you're going to need to do is enter, well, your password, enter some information about yourself, like some movies or shows that you see listed, and you're also going to need to choose a membership. For example, you have three of them. You have the most basic one, which is 720p quality, and it is, I think, in my case, at least €5. You have one for 7.5, which limits it to 1080p, and you have one for 10 or €11, in my case, which is for 4K footage. And that's pretty much the only difference. You can also sign up for more devices, or through more devices at the same time, depending on the package that you have. The basic only has one. On well, standard you have two, and on, well, premium you have four devices available to you. And that's pretty much it. You can also add, by the way, other accounts. For example, if somebody has an account but you want to have them on your plan as well, you can add them as an additional member if you pay for them, and you can add more people depending on the package that you have. And yeah, that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.